Hey, what's up everyone? I welcome you once again to one of my tutorials. In this session I will be talking about how to quickly start terminal on your Mac. There are three really simple and easy ways to do that. The first and easiest one is to go here to the right corner where there is this magnifying glass. Click on it and search for terminal. Hit enter and now the terminal starts for you. You can adjust the window the way you need. Now I will close it. To show you the other way how to do this, you simply go to Launchpad, Other, and select Terminal. Now my terminal started. And the third way to do this, you need to make sure that you have nothing selected on your screen. There is no app active and selected. Then you will have this Finder menu here in the top left corner. Then select this Go here, go to Utilities. There you will also find Terminal. If you select it, the terminal will start for you. And that's it. These are the three easiest ways how you can start terminal on your Mac. Please like, comment, and if this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.